Hey, Don Morris here, and I've got a little Facebook tip for you for when you're sharing your digital business card, whether that's through contact mapping, Shuffle, or you're sharing any type of a website, particularly if you have control over that. You know that when that shared site comes up on your Facebook feed, or it happens on LinkedIn as well. It happens when you're sharing a text message. Put that website in and you see a preview of that website. Typically, it is a picture for your digital business card that's going to be a picture of you. There's going to be the title of the website. There's going to be a description of the website. Sometimes when you're sharing these, particularly with your digital business card, you've shared it and then you decide you want to make a change. You share it again and it's still showing that old information. The reason for that, particularly with Facebook, LinkedIn, and all of your other social media sites, they will scrape that site that you give to it, and then they will cache that information so that they don't have to go out and scrape that again. So for example, when I put in my digital business card for contact mapping here, it shows my picture. It shows the title, Don Morris Digital Business Card, and it starts out with a description, I help business owners, and so on and so forth. I've actually changed my digital business card since I put up this on Facebook previously. It's showing the old one here, and I want this to show up a little bit better. So I want to have it show the new one. I'm going to take that back out of there. And what I need to do is I need to go over to the sharing debugger, as Facebook calls it, and you're going to find this at developers.facebook.com. So what I want to do is I want to put my digital business card in here, the link to it, and I'm going to click the debug button. So this makes Facebook go back out and look at this. It shows that this was scraped on July 21, and you'll see it's coming up with the photo and the title and the description just as they're going to show it when I put it back in Facebook. Well, this is old, so I want to have this scrape again. So I'm going to click scrape again, and this is going to update with the new information for my digital business card as soon as we get this. And it looks like we now have the new information. I still have Don Morris Digital Business Card, but my description here has changed. Now I'm going to come back to the post that I started. I'm going to cancel out of this and reload the page before I start again. So now I'm going to come back to my post. I'm going to put in my digital business card link. Facebook's going to go back out and pull in the new information that it scraped a little earlier. So now you see my description has updated here. This is going to help you make sure that all of your information is current. Anything that you've shared in the past is still going to show the same information as when you shared it. But any shares in the future, Facebook, LinkedIn, by text message, that's going to show the latest information as of the time Facebook and the other sites have scraped that. If you have any questions about Facebook scraping, sharing your digital business card, the thumbnail that you see here, you can always ask Don.